Definite and indefinite articles. And Snoopy. There's a dog here who wants to come in. Not a dog, the dog. If you don't understand the difference between indefinite and definite articles, this comic strip might confuse you. Its humor requires knowledge of the subtle differences between a and the. Let's review the joke, step by step. First, the girl notices that a dog is waiting outside to be let inside. There's a dog here who wants to come in. Now, the indefinite article, a, is used to refer to unspecified people or things. Here's an example of when you might use the indefinite article. If you arrived home one day and there was a cat sitting outside your door, a cat you had never seen before, you might say, "There's a cat here." The next day, if you arrived home to find the same cat sitting outside your door, you might say, "The cat is back." This cat is no longer just any cat. It is not a cat. It is the cat that you saw yesterday. The definite article, the, is used to refer to specified people or things. This cat is now familiar to you. It is a specific kind of cat to you, and for that reason, it requires the definite article, the, instead of the indefinite article, a. Let's return to the comic strip. There's a dog here who wants to come in. The girl uses the indefinite article, a, to refer to the dog, as if she has never seen it before. The dog replies, "Not a dog, the dog." The dog is saying, "I'm not just any dog that wants to enter the house. I'm the dog whose owners live in the house." The dog is offended by the use of the indefinite article. He wishes to be recognized and remembered by the girl. And there's something funny about the dog's sense of self-importance. An extra layer of humor is added because of the role that the definite article the plays in marketing. A car salesman might say to you, "You have to buy this car. It is the car to buy." In this context, the definite article is used to substitute for the phrase, "the one and only." The salesman is saying that this car is one of a kind. It is desired by everybody. This meaning comes across when the dog corrects the girl. He believes he is the dog, a very special dog, desired by everybody. Not a dog, the dog. In fact, he's quite an average dog. How does a change of article make a difference to these movie titles? Discuss your observations with a friend.